How to use food idioms in English conversation. Food is an integral part of our life. We eat to live and to satisfy our taste buds. There are many English idioms which have names of food items integrated into them. Now, let us try some food idioms that are commonly used in English conversation. Couch potato, meaning a lazy person always sitting on a sofa, as cool as a cucumber, meaning not affected by worries, calm and relaxed. Bring home the baker, or bread and butter, or earn bread, meaning earn money for livelihood. Egg on, meaning to force one to do something. Butter someone up, meaning to flatter someone excessively. A piece of cake, meaning easy thing to do. A cup of tea, meaning suitable or preferable thing. Cut the mustard, meaning stand up to the mark, stand up to the expectations. Cry over the spilt milk, meaning being upset over what has already happened. Cheap as chips, meaning very cheap. In the following paragraph, all the above mentioned idioms have been used so that you can understand how to use food idioms in English conversation. Raghav was an ideal guy with no focus on any serious matter in life. He was jobless and was a couch potato all the time, watching movies and enjoying life to the core. His wife Leela was the lady who earned bread for the family, and she was much worried about Raghav's attitude towards seeking a job. She tried to egg on Raghav to seriously try for a job. Her attempt was useless as Raghav was as cool as a cucumber and did not mind her words. Once, one of the relatives of Raghav recommended him for a job and he had to attend the interview for it. Not his cup of tea anyhow. Raghav was very reluctant to attend the interview, but his wife buttered him up. The interview, of course, was not a piece of cake for Raghav. He could not cut the mustard and failed miserably. When he came home, he understood that nothing could be obtained as cheap as chips. He felt bad for what had happened. His wife consoled him with these words: "Don't cry over the spilt milk. You can have a new beginning from now on. Why don't you try using such easy idioms in your language practice and boost your spoken English skills?" Thanks for watching. More to come in the upcoming days. Please subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you.